Hey everyone, Mad Lion here. I have 2 boxes because I ordered 2 copies of Cross a Line, the new HypMic album, because... why? I wanted bonus things. I'm really deep into this, somebody save me. Anyways, that's 2 boxes to open. I'll open one, I'll take a look at the album, we'll look at the bonuses. Yep, let's go! Yay, 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 yay. So this one came from Gamers Online Shop 6380. That's album number 1. Sorry I sound tired. I was just running around doing a Hypnosis Mic stamp rally thing on the KO lines today. Ooh! Okay, so bonuses that come with Gamers are Ray. Nice, 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 nice. Saburo. Oh, he's kind of smiling a bit. That's cute. And then Dice. I'm so glad he has his boombox back. I'm not going to keep these. I got these for trading purposes, but those are the 3 that came with Gamers. And oh, shiny. So here is the album. It is the first edition limited press of Cross a Line. It's got 3 CDs inside of it. This is the cover. Nice. So here's what's in it. Okay, plastic successfully removed. This seems right. Yeah, I think I did it. Hey! Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Buster Bros. Mad Trigger Crew. Disc 1. All of those new songs. Great. Fling Posse. Matendo. And disc 2. Cool, cool, cool. It's in their colors. I didn't notice that. It's so... Aww, that's cool. I love these little touches. Oh! Dootsie Daddy Humpo. Badass Temple. Nice orange and purple. Books. Booklet. Oh gosh, so many booklets. Oh, my pink booklet has. Okay, lyrics for all of the new group songs. It's very, very pink. Nice. Booklet 2 has lyrics for the duo. There's a picture of the burrito! No, that's amazing! Oh my gosh, wait. Losing my mind. Oh, there's the sauna from Nauza de Zuiku. Okay, so we get a sauna set. We get the city that the boys are running through in BB's city. The Rap and Rap burrito. That's incredible. No, that's just mean. Private Time has nothing. It's just got stars. Like, that's so sad. All Ryo and Chuta get our stars. Flowers for Once Upon a Time in Shibuya. That's perfect. And the beers for Naniwa Paradaishu. Look at the lyrics. Oh! Damn, that's good. That's good for RIP. This booklet itself is worth buying the album. Did one have anything? Oh, it's got the little stickers. Okay. So every album comes with a code that you can redeem for digital merch. Okay, here we go. So these are the stickers that come with the new group songs. Stickers that I will never stick on anything. Buster Bros, it's a cola can. Big bro, middle bro, little bro. Oh. Samatoki's skull. Okay, that would make sense. Very obviously, it looks like that one wall in Honolulu. Shinjuku Division. The bar is open for business. Wait. Sasado Cat, Rojo Cat, Ray Cat. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the Badass Temple one. HypMic, HPMI. wild. They're super cute. It's just a square poster of the album art that we've all seen so many times by now. So cool. Oh man, I am so happy with everything that Let's quickly do the next box and just look at the bonuses. Not gonna lie, this was a lot more screaming than I expected to do. For you, nice. Oh, you always look fabulous. Oh, he is ready to object to something in the court of law. Oh! There we go. Okay, so those are the type of cards that come with it. We have the CDs themselves, disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, poster, stickers, booklets, serial code for free stuff, and it all comes in a nice box covered in police tape that is telling you, ironically, please do cross the line. Okay, that is it. Oh, cool! Look, it even has the division marks on the inside. Alright, thank you for joining me to open up this fantastic brand new album from Hypnosis Mic. The songs are amazing. The drama track is adorable. Absolutely get your hands on this. If you enjoyed watching the video, please hit like. If you want to see more of these shenanigans, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Rapte tanoshi! Bye bye!